और इस वक्त नीति आयोग की वैक्सीन को लेकर एक अहम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है, हम सीधे रुख करेंगे।
Attention is what Dr. Renu Swarup pointed out, that our fourth vaccine has now moved into phase 3 trials, and that is again India vaccine, as you know, on a very difficult and a new and a novel platform, the DNA platform. I think that's one news that you should all celebrate and kindly bring to the attention the innovation and the scientific capacity of India, and thank you, ma'am, for highlighting that development. Then, of course, on the two vaccines that have been granted restricted use under emergency situation by the DCGI, Dr. Bhargav has explained us the rationale behind it, the scientific rationale behind it, and I would like to emphasize and reiterate that in granting this permission and authorization, all scientific and statutory requirements have been met. Have no doubt that scientific criteria has been met and the regulatory norms have been followed. This is a decision based on the judgment of the subject expert committee, which comprises people of different disciplines, very eminent people. They have examined the data and given us this verdict, which has been accepted by the Government of India. Remember what Dr. Bhargav said. He said, these decisions are being made in a context. This is not a regular authorization. No vaccine today in any country has got regular authorization. The world is exercising this option using scientific criteria and scientific thinking and consensus to take decisions in the larger interest of public health and humanity. And therefore, those boundaries are crafted, explained, and within which you operate. In the context of Covaxin, what is also very notable, as you noticed in the presentation made just now, that this is a vaccine which is exciting antibody response to not just S protein, but also additional proteins, namely the nucleocapsid protein and the membrane protein. At least three antigenic on three sites. So today all the vaccines are working. Today we are happy that none of the mutations have challenged the existing vaccines, including these two, as well as the vaccines that are now in vogue, namely Pfizer and Moderna. However, in the face of potential mutations, ये संभव है कि अगर कोई perturbations आती हैं, तो क्योंकि ये whole variant वैक्सीन है और ये मल्टीपल टारगेट्स पे एंटीबॉडी बनाता है, ये ज़्यादा स्टडी होगा, बहुत हद तक स्टडी होगा, और ये थिंकिंग जो सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट कमेटी है उन्होंने इसको भी नोटिस किया है. सेकेंडली, in their judgment, they have said that this vaccine is to be used in the clinical trial mode, जिसको कि डॉक्टर भार्गव ने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. तो the scientific principles have been followed, scientific rigor has been followed and further emphasized by the wording and.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं अंजना ओम कश्यप. हमें उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. लेटेस्ट खबरों के लिए यूं ही देखते रहिए आज तक, और इस वीडियो के पसंद आने पर लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.